Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The haze removal tool lets you manually remove haze or fog from an image if you do not like the results produced by using the Auto Haze Removal tool. To manually remove haze or fog, first select the image to adjust. Next, select Enhance Haze Removal from the menu bar. In the Haze Removal dialog box that opens, use the Haze Reduction slider to adjust the amount of haze to remove. You can use the Sensitivity slider to adjust how sensitive the program is to the haze removal. You can use the Before and After toggle button to switch between the before and after views of your image. After you have removed the haze, click the OK button to apply your changes to the image. Then save your image before closing Photoshop Elements to ensure your changes are saved.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.